Good morning. My name is Giannopoulou. I'm Assistant Professor at the Biological Sciences Department here at City Tech and a member of the Online Advisory Committee of the college. Today I'm going to give you some ideas for online activities for your hybrid and online courses based on my personal experiences. When I started teaching hybrid courses, I experimented with online timed quizzes. The online quizzes gave students the flexibility to take them at home without the stress of in-class examination. Importantly, with online quizzes, students can receive instant feedback, which is rarely the case with quizzes taken in class. At the same time, the quizzes allowed me faster grading, eliminating human error, especially for multiple choice, multiple answer, and true-false questions. While with online quizzes, I can also get statistics that help me recognize questions that may be poor discriminators of students' performance, and then I can improve questions for future tests. It is important to mention here that there is no such thing as automatic grading. You always have to consider each case individually, double-check the answers, and in some cases provide personalized feedback that will help the students understand the material better. Asynchronous online discussions, when organized and structured in a way that do not cause students frustration, can become very fertile environments for exchanging ideas, for learning the course objectives, and creating an out-of-classroom location where students feel comfortable asking questions and also interacting with their classmates. What is important to remember when designing online discussions is to associate a grade with discussion contributions, provide the rubric with expectations, develop thoughtful questions that stimulate analytical thought, and become involved strategically, not overpowering but encouraging. After a couple of semesters, I felt trapped between quizzes and online discussions, and I started thinking other ways to engage my students in online activities. Searching, reading, and of course brainstorming with colleagues gave me several ideas on tools and techniques that allow instructors to design new, engaging, fun, and educational activities for students in online and hybrid courses. In the slides that follow, I will present you a few ideas that take students online beyond quizzes and discussions. First, multimedia web posters. Poster sites allow students to make multimedia posters online. Because they are web-based, you can add a range of media to a poster, such as text, images, audio, and video. The overall effect is of a collage. The poster has a unique address and can be viewed online, offering a rich and engaging multimedia experience. Here we see some examples of web posters created by City Tech students for the computational genomics class. A few websites for creating multimedia posters are Pick2Chart, Glogster, ThinkLink, and Smore. Infographics are visuals used to represent information or data. We often see infographics used to present statistics in an easy-to-digest format by using charts, graphs, and other visual representations of numbers. Infographics are very popular because they are an effective teaching tool. Asking students to create an infographic for a concept they learn in class will reinforce course concepts and make it easier for students to remember important sets of data. A few websites for creating infographics are Venngage, Easily, Infogram, Visually, and Visme. Now, we all know Twitter. Twitter is a contemporary tool widely used in sciences for research updates, for discussing ideas, covering conferences and meetings, and bringing together online research scientists. In this online activity, the instructor gives a list of news stories to the students and provides them with the URLs of Twitter accounts. Students must follow their news story for a week, reading or watching items related to it. At the end of the week, they summarize their findings into a report and post it as a blog entry or discussion post. A few clicks away is another activity that engages students in searching online and creating a thread of web pages connected by a storyline or a specific topic. We first need to provide students with a visually attractive web page with several links on the page and with a specific topic, such as genome sequencing or environmental pollution. The students can then take 4 or 5 clicks away from the initial page, following a link that looks interesting and is related to the topic specified in the activity. The students need to take screenshots of the pages they visit, provide an online summary of the pages they visited, and briefly describe the steps they took to get there. Bioinformatics is a multidisciplinary field combining biology with computer science, and in particular with programming or coding. While teaching bioinformatics, I designed a few discipline-specific online activities that allow students to use several tools online for learning how to code in interactive and fun ways. Examples of such activities include making a website, learning Java, building an iPhone application, and performing statistical analysis. Code Academy is a web page with several online courses on programming languages and databases development. Code School is another web page that contains a large collection of coding courses, including web programming and mobile programming. Code HS is a comprehensive program for helping schools teach computer science by providing web-based curriculum, teacher tools, and resources. RFiddle is an online environment that allows you to write, run, and share R code inside your browser. For those of you who do not know what R is a statistical programming framework that helps you analyze large datasets and create cool plots and images of your data like the ones you see here. RFiddle does not require local installation, is perfect for quick prototyping, enables easy code sharing, and does not require user accounts. More importantly, it offers an easy-to-use embed functions for blogs and websites. RFiddle has a simple user interface that is very easy to use and, most importantly, allows user comments. To summarize, I believe that instructors in hybrid and online courses need to think outside the box that includes mostly quizzes and discussions. We need to ask the question, what tools can be attractive to students, engaging them in online activities in more fun ways, using tools that are new to them but also modern and potentially adopted already by the educational and scientific community. Thank you very much for your attention.